Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award-winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with 3 video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your cyber sample paper with solution.
Hello students, welcome back and congratulations once again for clearing round 1 of the NOF Cyber Olympiad. Today we are going to discuss sample paper 2 for the Cyber Champions League. I'll explain every question and give you the correct answer. So let's begin with question number 1. So question number 1. Why is a computer called a smart machine? A. Because it can follow instructions quickly and accurately. B. Because it can cook food. C. Because it can think on its own. D. Because it can drive cars. So the correct answer is option A. Because computer can show you how to cook food, but it cannot cook food. And computer needs an input to think, and computer obviously cannot drive cars. The correct answer is option A. Question number 2. What makes computers different from other machines? A. They can store data. B. They can perform calculations quickly. C. They can process information. And D. All of the above. So the correct answer is option D, because computer can perform all these operations. Question number 3. Which term describes what a computer needs to work? A. Output. B. Input. C. Both input and output. And D. None of these. The correct answer is option C. Both input and output. Question number 4. Which of these is an input device? A. Keyboard. B. Monitor. C. Printer. Or D. Speaker. The correct answer is option A, because monitor, speaker and printer are output devices. Let's move on to the next question, which is question number 5. What shows us the computer's output? A. CPU. B. Mouse. C. Keyboard. Or D. Monitor. So the correct answer is D. Monitor. CPU stores the information. Mouse and keyboard are input devices. So monitor is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. Question 6. Where is the brain of computer located? A. CPU. B. Keyboard. C. Monitor. And D. Mouse. For hint, there is a picture given which is of CPU. And where is the brain of computer located? CPU. The correct answer is A. CPU. Question number 7. How do computers help students? A. Drawing pictures. B. Playing games. C. Learning new things. And D. All of the above. A student can learn new things as well as draw pictures and play games on a computer. So the correct answer is option D. All of the above. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 8. Where might you see computers being used? A. Hospitals. B. Banks. C. Schools. And D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Hospital, banks, schools, everywhere you see a computer being used. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 9. Mouse is an dash device. Mouse is an dash device. A. Output. B. Input. C. Both A and B. And D. None of these. The correct answer is input device. Can it be both input and output? No. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 10. Which keys helps you type capital letters? A. Enter. B. Spacebar. C. Backspace. And D. Shift or caps lock. So the correct answer is D, and the hint for this is which keys? Keys means more than one. So the correct answer is option D, shift and caps lock. Question number 11th. What does the enter key do? A. Makes spaces. B. Types numbers. C. Deletes letters. D. Move to a new line. So enter is used for moving the cursor to new line. So correct answer is option D. Question number 12th. Which key erases mistakes? A. Backspace. B. Shift. C. Spacebar. Or D. Enter. The correct answer is option A. Backspace. Question number 13th. Which button turns the computer on? A. Escape button. B. Alt plus F4 key. C. Enter key. Or power button. The correct answer is option D. The power button. Question number 14th. What happens when you double click an icon? A. It moves. B. Nothing happens. C. It opens. And D. It disappears. The correct answer is option C. It opens. Let's move on to the next question, which is question number 15th. How should you hold the mouse? A. With one finger. B. Very tightly. C. With both hands. Or D. With your whole hand relaxed. The correct answer is option D, because you cannot hold it very tightly, neither you can hold it with one finger or with both hands. Next question is question number 16th. To open an icon, you have to double click dash button of the mouse. A. Left. B. Right. C. Center. Or D. None of these. The correct answer is option A. Left. Question number 17. Which tool helps you draw straight lines? A. Pencil. B. Brush. C. Line tool. Or D. Eraser. The correct answer is C. The line tool. Question number 18th. What helps you fill colors in MS Paint? A. Paint bucket. B. Eraser. C. Brush. And D. Pencil. The correct answer is option number A. Paint bucket. Eraser helps you erase the things. Pencil helps you draw freely. And brush helps you paint, not fill colors. The next question is question number 19th. Which of these is a new way to use computers? A. Voice commands. B. Virtual reality. C. Touch screens. And D. All of the above. So the new way is all of the above. With the use of artificial intelligence, we can do all threes. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 20. What is a tablet computer? A computer with a touch screen? A computer without a keyboard? A portable computer? Or D. All of the above? The correct answer is all of the above. It is a touchscreen portable computer. Next question is question number 21. If a clock shows 3:30, where is the minute hand pointing? So this is a clock and it is showing 3:30. The minute hand is pointed at 6. The correct answer is A. 6. Question number 22. Arrange these in the correct order. 1. Planting the seed. 2. Getting a fruit. 3. Watering. 4. The seed grows into a plant. The correct answer is option number A. First, watering. Second, planting the seed. Third, the seed grows into a plant. And then getting a fruit. Question number 23. Odd one out. A. Mouse. B. Keyboard. C. Monitor. And D. Microphone. So the odd one out is C. Monitor, because microphone is also an input device and keyboard and mouse are input devices. Next question is question 24. What happens when you press the shift key with the letter. A. Type a capital letter. B. Deletes a word. C. Adds space. And D. It saves the file. The correct answer is option A. Type a capital letter. Question number 25th. What tool in MS Paint helps you draw curved lines? A. Shape tool. B. Line tool. C. Curve tool. Or D. Pencil tool. So the correct answer is curve tool. Question number 26th. Which finger should rest on the left mouse button? Again. Question number 26th. Which finger should rest on the left mouse button? A. Thumb. B. Middle finger. C. Ring finger. And D. Index finger. The correct answer is D. Index finger. Question number 27th. What part of the computer shows pictures and videos? A. Mouse. B. Monitor. C. Keyboard. And D. CPU. So we need an output device. So in these three, the output device is a monitor which shows you pictures and videos. Question number 28. Which part of the computer helps you type? A. Monitor. B. Keyboard. C. Printer. And D. Speaker. For typing, we need a keyboard. So correct answer is option number B. Question number 29th. What do you use to click and point at things on the computer? A. Mouse. B. Monitor. C. CPU. And D. Keyboard. The correct answer is option A. A mouse. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 30. Which software is used for drawing and coloring on computer? A. MS Word. B. MS Paint. C. Windows. And D. Notepad. The correct answer is option number B. MS Paint. Question number 31. John has 8 pencils and Sarah has twice as many. How many pencils does Sarah have? The correct answer is option number B, because John had 8 pencils, Sarah has twice. So into 2, which is 16. Question number 32. What is the name of the part of the computer that looks like a box? A. Monitor. B. CPU. C. Mouse. And D. Printer. The correct answer is option B. Question number 33. Which of the following completes the analogy? Cat to meows and dog is to what? So these are the sounds. So cat says meow and dog bark. So correct answer is option A. Question number 34. What is the name of the system used to connect computers together? A. Hardware. B. Software. C. Network. And D. Keyboard. So, in order to connect computers together, we need a network. Question number 35th. Which of these can you use to search for information on the computer? A. Keyboard. B. Internet. C. MS Paint. And D. Printer. The correct answer is B. Internet. The next question is question number 36th. What is the main operating system used in computers? A. Windows 7. B. MS Paint. C. Monitor. And D. Printer. The correct answer is option A, because MS Paint is an application software, D. Printer is an output device, and monitor as well is an output device. So the operating system here is Windows 7. Next question, question number 37. Windows is as we discussed just above, that it is an operating system. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 38. Which of these is a software? A. Mouse. B. MS Paint. C. Monitor. And D. printer. So mouse is an input device, monitor is an output device, and printer is an output device. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 39. Which figure completes the series? So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we need either A or B. These two are ruled out. And as a dark blue, then white, dark blue, white, we need a dark blue on top left. So option number A is correct. Let's move on to the last question, which is question number 40. Which is the eighth object? So this is the first object. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. The correct answer is option A. And that completes sample paper 2 of the Cyber Champions League. Great job following along. Keep practicing, stay confident, and you will perform amazingly in the final exam. All the best, champions. See you in the next video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.